how it was created, because I think there's a little bit of an interesting story there too.
Yeah, yeah. Santron is, as Jeffrey, as you alluded to, it's a third generation manufacturer of RF coaxial connectors and cable assemblies. Our main facility is in Ipswich, Mass. So my grandfather started the company back in the day, being an old machinist at GE, and said, "Hey, I can do this better." Just manufacturing turn components for mainly military type applications. And the company evolved over the years, as it had to if it wanted to survive. The market changes, so the company changes. And we began manufacturing connectors and completed connectors from just the turn components, on old Swiss type screw machines. And now, as we continue to evolve, and we're into the third generation, we are now manufacturing higher performance connectors, more value-added services, and more cable assemblies. So we continue to try and keep up with or stay ahead of the curve, especially being a manufacturer in New England and still manufacturing in New England. It's very difficult. It's a very difficult thing to do. So, we're constantly trying to reinvent ourselves and be able to handle what comes. From the influence from the whole Asian Pacific market, and the competition is tough. So, our slogan is always thinking, and that's true. That's what we're doing.
Excellent.